Okay, so we're trying to solve this equation. We see we've got variables on both sides, we've got numbers, so there's a lot of stuff going on both sides, and we've got decimals. That part's okay. We do the same thing with decimals that you do with whole numbers. And I'm going to start by drawing a dotted line down the equal sign so that it'll be easy for me to spot that whatever I do on one side of that red line, I have to do the same thing on the other side of the red line. Okay, so the first thing that is a good idea to do is to try to get all the variables on one side or the other. So we see we've got variables on both sides right now. And you can go either direction, it really doesn't matter. So let's try it this way. Let's get rid of this 0.3y. So to get rid of that, I need to do the opposite. It's positive, so we're going to subtract 0.3y from both sides. So that's gone over here. Now we have just negative 5.4 on the left side. I still have that 2.7. We haven't done anything with that. And then 0.8y minus 0.3y is 0.5y. Okay, we're getting a little better. We just have one variable now, which is good. Now our goal, remember, is to get this variable by itself. So we need to get rid of the terms that are farthest away from that. That's the 2.7. So to get rid of that term, we also need to subtract it, since it's positive. Subtract over here. So that's gone. Okay, now, since both of these are negative, we're actually adding these two terms. And so this ends up being 8.1, and it'll be negative, equals, and over here we have 0.5y. Okay, one last thing to do. To get this variable all by itself, when you have a number right next to a variable, that means multiply. So the opposite of multiplying is dividing. So we divide both sides by 0.5. 0.5 divided by 0.5 is 1. So it's just 1y equals, and negative 8.1 divided by 0.5 is negative 16.2. And that is our final answer.